Hello, Dell XPS. I'm presenting Dumdum Tech.
Thank you very much, Rosanna. You're the sweetest, kindest kid I ever known. This is a video to help you set up your Dell XPS and optimize it for use in Windows. I hope these tips help you and enjoy. Let's dive straight into it. So the first thing you want to do on your new XPS is do the Dell updates. This will update the drivers, more importantly your BIOS, get the firmware update on the system. Go into Windows search and type in Dell Updates, select Dell Updates, then check for drivers and apply. So the next thing you want to do is open Dell Assist. This tool checks for the health of your system, any problems, detects them, downloads any software, drivers, any updates that needs to be done on your system. Also, it scans your hardware. If there's any problems on your hardware, it detects them and reports them to you to troubleshoot. There's a cleaning files tool which cleans the temp files or any redundant files that needs to get off your system. A tuning performance tool which tunes your system to optimize it better, and a optimized network tool to optimize your network. So carry out this step, download the updates, apply them, get that up to date. Thanks. So the next thing you want to do is install the Windows updates. I'll go into Windows search, type in check for updates. In this version I've got it already installed automatically. It's going to ask me to restart. After the restart, I'll do check for updates again and apply them. It might happen several times to get your system up to date. Just make sure your system's up to date. So after having two XPS 9500s and two 9700s, I recommend downloading the sound drivers from the Dell website. If you go to the Dell website, then search in the category audio, download the Realtek SoundWire audio drivers, then execute it, install it on your machine. You may need to restart. This fixes problems of the headset. If you're plugging in a USB headset or a Bluetooth headset, it doesn't get muddled up, or the internal sound card doesn't work properly. So reinstalling it makes it work again and fixes that problem. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the bloatware. I don't need Office 365 on this machine, so I'm going to go into the control panel, choose uninstall a program, and uninstall the various versions of Office 365, and then look at other programs to uninstall, and you can do the same. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to get more real estate on your taskbar. So right click on the taskbar, go to disable show Cortina button, take that off, and right click again on the taskbar and search and show search icon, change that to a magnifying glass. It gives you more real estate on the taskbar. Next we want to change the things. Right click, go to taskbar settings, now choose color, and we want to choose the color order to dark, and darken the theme. I find it a bit too black this, so we customize it and change the default app mode to light. This is entirely up to you. You can choose whatever colors you want. If you use more darker colors on your desktop, you're going to get more battery life. On to the next one. So what I like to do is remove the apps I don't use from the taskbar. So I'll right click on the apps I don't use, like the mail icon, unpin that from the taskbar, and do the same for Microsoft Edge, and do the same for Dell Assist. This should give you more real estate to add more applications when working in Windows. So one thing that used to annoy me was the screen going to dim mode. when the screen was bright. Sometimes when not using it, or it just went into it occasionally. And in meetings, I was in Teams meetings, the screen used to go black. I think it's related to the adaptive brightness. So to solve that, I went into right-clicked on the desktop background, go to display settings, uncheck the change brightness automatically when lighting changes, and that's it. That will take that problem away, and it's going to use up a little bit more battery juice, so bear that in mind. You may want to extend your sleep times on your laptop for your screen and when the laptop goes to sleep. I just found the default settings a bit too short. So to get to the power and sleep settings, in Windows search, type in sleep and then launch power and sleep. And you can change the times here. So I change it from 4 minutes to 15 minutes. When it's plugged in, I leave it at 30 minutes. Then on sleep, I'll make that 30 minutes. Well, maybe you can change it to wherever you want. And for the when it's plugged in, I tell it never to sleep. So that makes it easier for us. Okay, so you want to, if you're running low on battery and you want to extend it a bit further, I would recommend open the battery saver option. Go to Windows search, type in battery saver settings, and in here you can turn on the battery saving mode to get more from your battery when it's running low, limit your notification, or turn battery saver on automatically at 20% and lower the screen brightness while you're in battery. Then if you want to see which apps you're using, which is taking up most of the battery, you can scroll down the list. It's in ascending order, the highest percentage on top. Okay, I hope that helps. When I had the XPS 159500, I had to calibrate the screen in Dell Premier colors. When I got the Dell 9700, I didn't need to do that because I thought the color of the screen was set perfectly for me. But if we want to go through that, we can now. Dell Premier Color, just open out from the Windows Start menu, click on Advanced Color Setup, and here you have the options to change it from the default, which is set to Vibrant, full. Usually on the XPS 9500, I had to, when I first had it, I had to set this up to Cinema DCI P3, which is more brighter. So and this is low blue light, which is quite good to use in dark rooms. And there's the other version, but for me, I just leave it at the default on the 9700, and you can change it to your liking and choose any one of these modes. Cinema and Adobe RGB are bright colors. So my final tip, and this would be a dumdum moment by myself and doing things live, because I've done the previous videos as a voiceover and I got quite bored of that, and I found doing things live a bit more interesting. So okay, so this video is to clean your laptop. The carbon fiber attracts a lot of grease, so I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit greasy on the left hand side. There's the rest of my palm there. The trackpad's a bit dirty, or this dust, or some grime, not grime, but I do wash my hands since the pandemic a lot, so it's bacteria free. And the keyboard, the spacebar, you see that with the lights, it's a bit greasy everywhere, and the top of the laptop is a bit oily as well. So this is my solution. Get some alcohol, and this one's 99%, and get a microfiber cloth, and in a few seconds, by the magic, I will show you the results. And this is the final result using the alcohol, which is almost 100%. Keep it away from children. Definitely stay. Make sure they're out of the room, because it smells really strong. The alcohol, 100% alcohol. Microfiber cloth, and this is the results. You have a brand new, oilless, greasy, dust-proof laptop. The keys are nice. You can wipe the keys. Just make sure you power off the laptop when you do this, so you don't cause any damage. And you also can do clean aluminium body with it. So this is a 100% germ-free, antibacterial-free laptop, clean, looking like new again. So I hope you enjoy these videos I put together. And yeah, it would help a lot for the channel if you can subscribe and support it, and yeah, put a like, thumbs up for it. Yeah, a lot of hard work had been put into this and took up my hours. I enjoyed making it just to help you guys, and I hope you get enough information from it to be on your way to optimize, have a really good machine to use at the end of the day for your daily work or your daily lives using this laptop. Alright, have fun guys, see ya.